Hey Tech Explorers, want to change the model in QWEN 2.5? It's super easy and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, open the QWEN 2.5 chat screen. That's where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see QWEN 2.5 Max right there. But wait, there's more. Right next to it, you'll spot a drop-down menu. Tap on that. Now, here's when the fun begins. You will see a list of models to choose from. Pick the one that suits your needs. Want something more advanced or a specific feature? It's all there. Quick question. What's your go-to model when chatting with QWEN? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully changed the model in QWEN 2.5. Now go ahead and start using the new model you have selected. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment with your favorite model choice. See you next time.